Hi, in this video we will see what are the table calculation function and how to use this function in Tableau. So the table calculation function are those functions that those work with only aggregation values or the constant values. They don't work or applicable on the dimensions, or we can say the string values. So in order to uh, know about this function, so first we have to create one calculation field. So after that, where we can see one drop down. After clicking on this drop down, click on table calculation. So here we can see a lot of table calculation, and each of the function have different functionality and they work their different way. So there are some function like first. If I click on this first, we can see here the what this function does. On the right side we can see the definition. So this function returns the number of row from the current row to the first row in the partition. So here we can see the example, and here lookup last index. This function we can use, and over here we can use rank function. So rank function help us to rank the numeric values in a ascending or descending order. So we can specify each of the manner, either uh, if you want to have values in the ascending order, we can also specify in that. For example, if I or we can see the syntax over here. So the rank function takes the expression as an input, and also after that we can see we have to specify the order, ascending or descending, or by default it will uh, return the output in ascending order, and we can also change the order by using ascending or descending manually over here. And also if I use rank, another function which also rank the values in a different manner. So we can see this function also takes the same input. So we can see it takes the expression as an input, and also we can specify the order, ascending or descending. So these are the aggregation function that we can use in Tableau. And there are also a lot of function like size, total. So as we can see here, after clicking on the size function, we can see the size function returns the number of rows in the partition. So it basically returns the number of rows whatever we are having into our data set. So these are the aggregation functions that we have in Tableau, and we can use according to our what we want to return. So this is how we can use this function. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.